Opening our white outer packaging reveals our tagline on the inner flap and the contents secured within. Inside the protective materials, we include our discovery box. We print the details of all 6 compositions on the back of the box. Opening the lid reveals the internal layout, which houses 6 3-milliliter discovery samples. We provide a dedicated card for each fragrance, detailing the emotional state and hero notes of the composition. Each 3-milliliter unit is designed so you can test the state of our work and ensure the experience is repeatable. Closing the box completes the introduction to our collection, which we built to align with your presence.